Hello wifeys, welcome back to my channel. It's Michaela here, and today we're going to be getting into the Beis Diaper Bag. This is going to be my diaper bag for baby Ivy, so let's just get right into it. We're going to unbox it together. Well, it didn't come in a box, but like we're going to go through it together. First impressions, that jazz. If you want to see how I like it and what's inside or how it looks, then just keep on watching. So it comes in a wrapper like this, and it just says, hey mama, looking good. It's pretty heavy. It didn't come in a box. It came in like a postal service bag. So yep, this is how it comes wrapped, and let's just try to get into it. It's a heavy bag, like it's very sturdy. So this is how it looks. So right off the bat, I'm noticing that we have straps here, like some leather straps on like gold rings like that. And then I'm noticing longer like chain link straps right here that are pretty much hooked to the same ring in here right here. I want these off. Let's see. Okay, so this part is like leather, like faux leather. And then we have these straps, like a tote bag strap. And then we also have these cute straps right here that are like the chain link straps that are just very, very cute. I love these. This is good quality. Like they're thick, braided gold. I like gold hardware. Let's see. So it does have the, I don't know if y'all can see it, but it has like Beis embossed right here. This is a magnet flap right here on the side. And it's like that. Satin lining. On this side, there's two side pockets right here that look like so. They don't feel like insulated or anything. And then on the back here, we have a zip pouch that is pretty small. Another magnet flap back here, and then a smaller flap right here. And then this smaller flap also has a zipper on the bottom, if you can see that. So you can unzip it and actually slide it on your luggage carrier, your luggage thing. So I can use this bag even after I have the baby, or if I'm traveling with the baby and like this is our travel bag, because it's, I wanted something big enough that me and baby could use. I'm not carrying a purse. So I wanted a really cute bag. So yeah, that's the outside. Let's get on the inside. I'm rushing a little bit because I have a doctor's appointment like in 30 minutes. But this is how the inside looks right here. And let's get into that. So first off, when I open it, I have this flap right here. That's what we're looking at. That is magnetized as well, if you can see that. And it's actually labeled that this is the padded laptop sleeve. This is also in there, which is a, oh cute, a on-the-go like changer. This is really cute. So it says Beis on here, like this. It's just black, and it opens up, and it's a baby changer. And there's like a little flap on this to put, I guess, whatever you want in there, like wipes or something. So that's in there. So it's also a padded laptop sleeve slash changing cover holder. Let's take this. Well, I was going to take this out, but it's actually strapped to the bag, so you have to unhook it. This little bag looks like this. Says Beis. This is a wet, dry, dirty diaper bag, and there's some other goodies in here, but this is actually like lined, like plastic, like water resistant almost, I can feel. This is a removable stroller strap. I'm gonna open it so we can see. So that's nice to strap the bag to your stroller. I would just keep this in here just to have. This is I think a pacifier holder. Yeah, like a little pacifier holder to keep their pacifiers in. And then they gave us a little toy, like teething ring or something. Oh, that's cute for the baby. So you can keep that in there. That's cute. So that was in the wet dry bag. And then let's see, flipping to the other side now. So now on the other side, you can see that we have a side zipper right here. This is labeled as the mom's pocket. So they gave us a pocket for like our phones and our, I'll probably keep my phone on the back side in this. But for your wallet, your, I have bonus bags that I want to go over, but you know, your little stuff. So that's cute. I like that everything's labeled. It makes it really easy to figure out. Okay, this pocket right here, if I stand it up and we look at this pocket right here, this is the insulated bottle bag. So yeah, this is insulated. So I'm gonna try to show y'all the insulation. You see how it's lined like gray, like a lunchbox? That's insulated. Then next to that, we have the wipes pocket. So right here is the wipes pocket in here. And then right here, we have the diaper pocket. So you keep diapers right there. I mean, I guess they're just trying to give you ideas of how to use it. You can use it however you want, but this is a great bag. Like, it's got enough pockets. It's got enough compartments. It's big enough. It's sturdy. It's very, like, luxury bag. I love the straps. Like, I think I'm going to use these straps a lot because they're just so fancy. And then, like, up here is like nylon. So this part is like faux leather, I think. This part is like nylon. And yeah, super cute. Okay, I gotta get out of here. But I also got these little bags, and it just says get lost and find yourself, repeat. I wanted black, but they were sold out, so I had to get the beige. But it's the little like mesh bags. I think these are really cute. Okay, so you have 3 bags in here. I don't know if y'all can see because of the tissue paper, but you have a larger bag, then a medium-sized bag, and then like a little small bag. So I thought this would be good to have in the mom's pocket with like just my loose items that I would have in my purse, like lip gloss, deodorant, you know, that stuff that we have that we just can't live without. I thought this would be good to keep in that side pocket, and then you know, if I need to downsize any, use these as well. So I got these too. So yeah, that is the Beis Diaper Bag. I'm very happy with my purchase. I mean, I haven't used it yet, but just like first impressions, going over it with you guys, this is a great bag. Like I said, very nice, very sturdy, very big. And then like you can even use it outside of the baby once you're done. Like I have the Beis overnight bag, the weekend bag. I use that as a work bag. I'll link it below. I use that as a work bag. I use that as a overnight weekender bag. I'm gonna use it as my hospital bag. So I'm a fan of the Beis like luxury luggage line. So I like this diaper bag. I'm glad I went with this. I'm gonna try to remember to put the price on the screen because I don't remember how much it was exactly. I think it's like $168. But for the money and like how long I know I'm gonna be able to use it, even outside of it being just a designated diaper bag, it's worth it. I already know it's worth it. So that is it. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And then look out because I am gonna be packing our bag for the hospital. So I'm bringing a baby bag, and I'm gonna also bring my overnight bag, and we'll pack that together in like a vlog. So I'll see you guys next week. Bye.